summation over m alpha m minus m dot alpha m. So I would have L and this I have eventually written as one can because they are dummy indices. So n alpha m minus n dot alpha of n, and on that basis L m bar is 1/2 summation over n beta of m minus n beta of n. So one can write down these, and we can continue with this discussion next time, and we could conclude it here. But then what I will do is next time then I will also consider briefly the covariant quantization. So namely, in that case we would I would give the intermediate steps of if one makes use of the commutation relation for x mu pi nu, how can one obtain commutation relations for alpha and beta, these annihilation and creation operators for left moving and right moving modes, and that would give us the so-called covariant quantization of the theory. And the same steps would be applicable to this case which we mentioned just now. So this is what I would briefly recap in the first few minutes, and then the main point is to go from here onwards Lm and Lm bar. From here, if I put m equal to 0, I would have L0 and L0 bar. Okay. Of course, in general, I would have Lm and Lm bar. So from here, we can derive the spectrum of the open string and closed strings, and actually, it is very important in the sense that for obtaining this mass spectrum, this extra dimension term of the total dimensions of the string theory, they also come in, because we normal order all the quantities and then we obtain what is called as Sarah, I had checked that it was summation of n, which if you sum all natural numbers from 0 to infinity, then this indeed is minus 1/12. Okay, it looks divergent, but it is not, and it actually this is minus 1/12, and this result is being used here to fix up d equal to 26, the string theory. So I was mentioning last time that one Indian mathematician named Srinivasa Ramanujan, he had written this almost 90 to 100 years ago, and without when string theory, nobody knew the name of string theory. But then this is very useful in fixing up the dimensions of string theory to be 26. So there is some Jutta function regularization and so on for this. But one can prove it. Although I would personally not prove it because we will not have time. We have only one more class to go. Then rest of the things have to wait until next April. Okay. So with this, let us formally conclude, but we can talk for a few more minutes. So I thank you all very, very much.